So hello student, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A, subject GSC, date 13th May 2021. So lesson 8, teeth and microbes. Lesson 8, teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes and worksheets 8. Worksheet 8. We have completed fill in the blanks, in which we have studied the 5 questions, and next after that take the right answer, in which also 5 questions. Now we have to see the C. Write T for true and F for false. This is C. Write T for true and F for false. So here in this C, you have to write T for true and F for false. Statements are given, and you have to find whether statement is true or false. So first, canines are 4 in number in each jar. Canines are 4 in number in each jar. No, it is incorrect. How many canines are there? Their number is 4, but 2 in each jar. So this is first is false. So first is false. Now second, incisors are present only in upper jaw. Incisors are present only in upper jaw. No, it is incorrect, because incisors are found in both jaw. So second is also false, F. Now third, dentine is the hard protective layer of a tooth. Dentine is the hard protective layer of a tooth. No, it is also false, because enamel so it is also false. Enamel protective layer of tooth. So C, and third is also F. Now fourth, we have to see the fourth. Fluorides. Fluoride helps prevent tooth decay. Fluoride helps prevent tooth decay, as it is true. So fourth is true, and fifth is typhoid is a bacterial disease. Typhoid is a bacterial disease. Yes, it is true. Typhoid is a bacterial disease. So fact is true. Now we have to see next one. Give one word answer. Now we have to see next. Give one word answer D. We have to see the D. D. Give one word answer. Give one word answer. So first, common cold is caused by. Common cold is caused by. You see here, it is microbes. This is virus. Virus is there. So this virus causes the common cold. So first, virus. Virus. Second, grinding teeth next to premolars. Grinding teeth next to premolars. What are these? After premolars, next one is the molars. Number third, the part of a tooth visible above the gums. This is crown. Two parts are there, crown and root. So crown is the visible part. Crown. Fourth, disease causing microbes. Disease causing microbes. So these includes bacteria, fungi, viruses and the protozoa. Disease causing microbes. One is bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. And protozoa. These are the disease causing organisms. Now next one, the part of a tooth below the enamel. The part of the tooth below the enamel, that is dentine. Below the enamel, that is dentine. Fifth is dentine. So you have to see once again. Once again we have to see. So first D, give one word answer. So first, common cold is caused by. This is virus. Next one, grinding teeth Next to premolars, these are the molars. Now third, the part of a tooth visible above the gums, this is crown. Now next, disease causing microbes, these are the bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. Now next one, the part of a tooth below the enamel, that is dentine. So thank you, that's for today. Next we will discuss about the answer the following. Thank you.